Patay na, nalintikan na. Opisyal na ang nag-anunsyo ang Iran na gaganti sila sa karumal-dumal na pagbobombang ginawa ng US. Dahil sa anunsyong yan, agad na nag-issue si Secretary Hegseth ng babala. Humanda ang lahat ng military base ng US sa posibleng pag-ataking gagawin ng Iran. At yes, kasama ang Pilipinas sa winarningan. Lalawak pa nga ang giyera ito dahil nakatakdang mag-usap-usap ang Iran, Russia at China sa Moscow. Bukas, tiyak na paghahandaan nila ang pag-ataking gagawin sa US. Babala pa ng Iran, lahat ng options para makaganti sa US ay kinukonsideran nila. Hindi sila papayag sa pambubuling ginawa ng US.
Well, I'm going to Moscow this afternoon and I have a meeting with President Putin tomorrow morning. The US administration holds sole and full responsibility for the consequences of its actions, including the Islamic Republic of Iran's right to self-defense under the principles of the United Charter. In accordance with the UN Charter and its provisions allowing a legitimate response in self-defense, Iran reserves all options to defend its security interests and people. Thank you very much.
Galit na galit pa nga ang Iranian minister sa pahayag ni Secretary Hegseth. Gusto ng Amerikang bumalik ang Iran sa dialogo. Wala na raw saysay yan. Wala nang kwenta. Binomba na ng US ang Iran. Hindi na usapan ang solusyon kundi gantihan na. At ayan ang kanilang napagdesisyonan.
It is irrelevant to ask Iran to return to diplomacy because we were in the middle of diplomacy. We were in the middle of talks with the United States when Israelis blew it up. And again, we were in the middle of talks and negotiation with Europeans, happened only 2 days ago in Geneva, when this time Americans decided to blow it up. So we were in diplomacy, but we were attacked. There is no red line that they have not crossed. And the last one, and the most dangerous one, was happened only last night, when they crossed a very big red line by attacking nuclear facilities.
Pag na-involve na nga ng direkta ang China sa giyera, maganda-handa na tayo dahil damay talaga ang Pilipinas dyan. Kayo, sa tingin nyo handa ba ang Pilipinas sa World War III? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.